Hello everyone and welcome to my channel and welcome to this video. Today we will be filling one more page in our sketchbooks with ink and watercolor, and I will be using this Panart handmade watercolor book. And for the watercolors today I will use my own Set Sky, a little bit of the blue and some orange, a little bit also of the violet, and I will use Earth Set also, a little bit of the green and yellow. And that's all the colors I will use. Also for the brush today, I will use this Raphael number 0 round quill brush. And I will use Micron ink pens 03 and 05, but you can use only one size. That's also going to be fine. This is archival ink. I will be adding watercolors on top, so it has to be waterproof. And that's all the supplies we will be using today. So without further ado, let's get to our painting. I will start with ink and just go on top of my sketch that I already drew. And by the way, that sketch is available for free download. It is on my Patreon, so if you join for free on my Patreon, you will have the access to this sketch. So a couple of florals. After finishing with that basic inking, I will be adding a bit more of the details and stylize my flowers, adding some shading and a little bit more of the textures, forming the shapes of my flowers, and just adding a little bit of the ink to some parts of the petals, making them darker, leaving other parts a little bit lighter. Also to the centers, I will be adding some dots and details and some little stamens. Mostly to the center, I will be adding a bit more ink, making that part a little bit more pronounced with that darker ink, and going out to the outer edges of the petals, I will be leaving them a little bit lighter. Now that I'm done with my inking, I will be adding some watercolors. Again, very simply, a little bit of the yellow and some orange to the centers of my flowers. And then I will paint those flowers in different colors. One is going to be yellow. For one I will mix a little bit of the blue and yellow to create some sort of grayish greenish tone. And for the tulips I will be using orange and a little bit of the violet. Again, you can use any color that you like for your flowers. And this one, the largest one, I will be painting in blue and adding a bit more of the pigment to the central part of the flower, making it darker. Some splatters with blue, yellow, adding some green to the stems and leaves, and a bit more details all around to the flowers. Lastly, a couple of last splatters, and I will write in the text because that's what I like to do. I like to add a little note in my sketchbook to each illustrations, and this one is going to be "Life is amazing." Again, you can just add the note that you like. And with that, we're guys done. So thank you so much for joining me today for inking and painting with me. This was quite simple. Remember, sketch is available for download. Check out my Patreon and the link in the description box. If you do like this video, please hit the like button, share it, and comment. If you haven't still, do subscribe to my channel. I have many tutorials here for beginners and advanced painters, and I'm sure you will find something for yourself. On my Patreon, you can also find real-time tutorials, step-by-step, a little bit more complicated ones. And yeah, that's all. Again, thank you so much and see you next time. Bye!